Good morning, folks. It is 7:39 a.m. on Monday the 29th. It's Monday, kidding. Not Sunday. Yeah, feels like Sunday. Might feel like Sunday. Yeah. Uh-oh. My cat got drunk or something? Oh my god, he has. He actually has. What's wrong? What's wrong? Get drunk? Obviously. Obviously, 100%. Okay, here we are out. Here we go in the car. Forgot to put my sunglasses on again. And yep, it still smells like candy in this car at the moment. Yep, we had a car wash recently, so yep, it does smell like candy bar. It smells like the pink cotton candy.
What is that?
The pink cotton candy, you know.
It smells right?
Yeah, it's great smell.
You want this?
Look at these guys. Just came out all of a sudden, and it doesn't continue all the way until here.
That's true.
Yeah, at least we can be able to watch them returning on the road.
Sure.
Yeah. Okay, there were like 4 or 5 mini car drivers.
They're called ATV.
ATV.
All-terrain vehicle.
Oh, all-train vehicle. Oh, wow. I thought that they were mini cars, not trains. Because it doesn't even look like the size of a train.
I know, but it is not.
It looks like a
It is not
size
all
of a
train.
giant.
It is all trail.
trail.
They can go on the beach.
Yeah,
they can go
you
on the snow.
confused me again.
Did I? Or you just misunderstand?
Because I'm 77 years old.
Okay. When did you gain 60 years of age?
Yesterday.
Oh, okay. All of a sudden, you
Yeah.
sleep and wake up.
So now
And you found 70.
it is Monday, April the 29th of 2079.
That is true.
Or whatever day of the week it is. It might not be Monday. If you check your calendars,
I can find that.
yeah, we can find out. Okay, we just got ourselves inside now. After a pretty tough exam day, it was just so serious. Well, and also since I forgot my sunglasses once again. Finally I have some air conditioning. Okay, here we are at our store again. Yeah, one of those. Yeah, since this is Shake Shack, there's a bunch of kids with milkshakes. And there's no really concert this time here. That's fine. Sometimes there's a hell of people gathering up on stage having fun, going virtual fun, going dancing fun. Hey, I'm gonna place my finger in here.
Okay.
How do I do it? Yep.
Yep.
It is a bit difficult, but I just would love to try and replace my finger in there. Yeah, it does hurt revenge a bit.
Is that right?
But it's still fun
Of course it is.
to play with this guy. It's like chains and chains and chains. Big old chain. Cool. J-Tech.
Do you know the fact that if you add those numbers together, it was the number we got last time?
69 and 96.
No, 69.
It's 6
6
plus
and
9. And 9 plus 6. 15.
That was what we got last time while Byron was
These feel like plush toys.
Was that?
Kind of kidding. Hey, can I turn you on?
Of course.
Why should I turn you off?
Okay.
You wanna do Strunks. Strunks. Yeah, Strunks. Get Strunks, mate.
You are
Request
going
a
to
burger.
get... Huh?
What?
You're going to get strong.
Really strong if I keep pressing this remote over and over again.
I don't know. We will find out shortly.
Yeah.
We will find out shortly.
Uh-oh, wait, hold on.
I'll go get it.
Oh my god. Yes. Yep, you guys know what that means. Our food is ready. Our food is ready for today. Yep, it is coming. It is coming. Indeed it is. What, you still ain't here yet? Oh jeez. Going crazy. I'll just look that guy in shock. Yeah, I'm actually trying to play games on this employee, you know? Hey employee, get filmed. Yes! Okay guys, so I just came home after all that crazy traffic. And geez, we were stuck at like the same place for 10 whole minutes. And look at what I got here. You see? I just made some slime, this time some red slime. I put it all in a container and it looks pretty gooey at the moment, so, but it's actually a fun thing. But it turns out pretty liquidy, and I thought of okay, well, excuse me, that was my mom that called me on the phone, but yeah, I decided to leave it in the freezer, and so far it's like this. But you know what, I'm gonna put it, oh, now it does look a bit like slime again. Okay, now I'm gonna put it back in the freezer again. Okay guys, here it goes. Here it goes in the freezer. So it wouldn't become too liquidy. Let's see, I'm gonna leave it in the freezer for 2 hours. So let's see what it's gonna be like after 2 hours. Alright guys, it has been 2 hours now. And I'm gonna find out if it is not so sticky anymore, or if it still is. Because I already left it in the freezer for 2 hours. And before the process, it was still sticky. But I'm hoping that is not sticky anymore. Uh-oh, looks like somebody graffitied all over the road. I like it actually, I'm not complaining. I find it cool. Yeah. I do like those. But the thing is, we're gonna find out if my slime has turned less sticky. Because geez, I got a pack of slime that was it was so sticky when I got it, when we paid for it, when I bought it. It was so sticky. But then I found a solution to make it not sticky, and I'm hoping it's gonna work. Okay, it should work. I made an experiment.
What is that?
It's just an experiment.
What did you use for the rest?
Still a bit sticky.
How is it gonna be? How was your experiment
So-
gonna be?
I was trying to make it more like slime. But yeah, it is like slime. It is like slime.
Well, it says slime.
Yeah, it's barrel slime.
Yeah.
Yeah. I mixed those colors and I made it like sauce red.
Sauce red.
Yeah, like pepper sauce.
Ah.
Yeah, you see, it's also a bit like the soup color, you know?
Not tomato soup.
Yeah, tomato soup. Yeah, this looks like a tomato soup slime that I just made here.
I can make the real tomato.
Oh well.
Soup.
Okay, well, yeah, it's still a bit sticky, you guys. It didn't turn the way I was expecting it to turn. Okay, well, yeah, you see the sticky all over my hands. Well, at the very start, it was way more stickier, you see? See all that lump? Yep, that is slime. It is actually not the slime I made. We bought 2 of these packets. You see, barrel of slime. We bought a green and we bought a red. And I mixed them with soap. And then I turned them into this color, red. And I put it in this little box. Yep, so that's some slime that I made. But yeah, it's a bit sticky yet. So, and yeah, since I put soap, looks like I'm gonna have to leave it for another day, guys. It looks like I'm gonna have to keep it until tomorrow morning. So it doesn't look so satisfying as it looks. Not really so satisfying. Yeah, it's fun to play with, but still not the way we want. You see? Well, guys, I'm gonna have to put it back in the freezer and keep it in the freezer for a bit more. I'm gonna have to keep it in the freezer until tomorrow morning. And tomorrow morning, if I have a chance, I can test it out again. But with that being said, I'll see you guys.